Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to pay Uber Eats with Apple Pay. Alright, let's begin. First of all, I'm just going to load up the Uber Eats app and I will make a sample order. So for example, let's go to McDonald's and we just want to get something. After that, click to add this to your cart and then we're going to click on View Cart. From here, we will need to proceed to the checkout. So go to checkout and here, you will be able to see your payment methods. So if you have Apple Pay set up, it is going to show up here. If you don't have Apple Pay, we will click on Add a Payment Method. And from here, if you are located in the US, you should be able to see Apple Pay and you can just click on it and that is going to connect Apple Pay to your Uber Eats account and you can pay for your orders using Apple Pay. So that's basically how you can pay Uber Eats with Apple Pay. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.